Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SalesMate CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Gmail to your SalesMate CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Gmail to your SalesMate CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that if you can manage everything in one screen, it's going to save you a lot of time and energy. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SalesMate CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SalesMate CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link or connect your Gmail to your SalesMate CRM, here on the left side, click on this little envelope. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu right here, and you want to click on this button here at the bottom called Email Settings. It has a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this other menu right here, but you want to click on Email Settings. Once you do that, you'll see these four options here at the top, and make sure you've clicked on Full Email Sync. Okay, once you've done that, go ahead and click on the Google logo in order to connect your Gmail. Okay, once you do that, Google's going to open up a little browser, and you want to choose which Gmail you want to connect to your SalesMate CRM. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, next SalesMate's going to let you know they're going to share this information about you. If you're okay with that, click on Continue. Okay, next you need to choose the permissions that you're willing to give SalesMate CRM. I've already chosen all, and then you want to click on Continue. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Gmail is here, and they are syncing my emails right now. Now there are a few options you can look down here. You can go ahead and sync selected folders or all of your folders. Also, you can go ahead and choose the delete and archive settings down here. So that way, if an email is deleted from SalesMate, it's going to delete in my Gmail as well. And then vice versa. If an email is deleted in my Gmail, it'll be deleted in SalesMate. For me, I'm going to go ahead and leave that the same. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Gmail to your SalesMate CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.